bisa
She
bahasa
can
Inggris.
speak. Hello.
Bahasa Inggris.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I
How
can.
perfect. I was asking them if they can teach me Sundanese language.
Hah?
Can you teach me Sunda?
Sunda. Oh, yes, I can.
Okay, please.
How about can you repeat after me?
Sure.
Kamu yang bisa bahasa Sunda. Bahasa Sunda. Ya. He can speak Sunda.
He can speak. Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Bandung.
Yeah.
Nice. And where are you from?
Kamu dari Bandung.
Bandung. Okay.
Yeah.
You're speaking English very good.
Yeah, thank
Where
you.
did you learn it?
I learned it from my dad.
Oh, your dad.
Yes.
Wow, your dad speaks English well.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 12.
12. Wow. Which class are you in?
I'm 6.
Oh, sixth class. Are you guys classmates?
Yeah,
Perfect. You learn from her. You learn from her.
belajar dari aku.
Yeah, English is very important.
Felicia Inara Maeswari.
Oh, your name is Felicia.
Ya.
Very nice.
Sorry.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Kamu bisa bahasa Inggris? Ya.
Very good. I need her as a translator.
Yeah,
Very good.
Ya. Matuin. Jangkung tinggi. Jangkung is
Jangkung.
means tall.
Jangkung. Perfect. Jangkung. Sunda Jangkung. Very good. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Short.
Is pendek.
Oh, pendek. Sunda pendek. Pendek. Jangkung pendek. Are you guys still in school?
Jangkung badak.
Jangkung badak.
Jangkung badak is means tall, big tall.
Big dog. Okay, Jangkung badak. You handsome.
Kamu ganteng.
Kasep. Very good. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.